Good evening, my sunflowerians. How are you all? You all are good? Yes? Okay. So today we are going to start. Today we are going to start with the concept of odd and even numbers. Okay. So the concept of odd and even numbers we are going to do. Right? Okay. So before we go to the concept of odd and even numbers, okay, there is one thing which is important. Before going for this concept, it is important that your child should know the counting from at least 1 to 50. Okay, 1 to 50, your child should know the counting. Fine. So I'm just giving you a tip on how you can make them learn counting from 1 to 50. Right, I hope all the parents are sitting here. So I'm giving you one tip how you can make your children learn counting from 1 to 50. Okay, so generally what happens, they get stuck to a number, like they get stuck on 29, they get stuck on 39, because they are not able to identify that 40 will come after 39, right? Or after 49, 50 will come. So this is the major obstacle, or it is a major place where the children get stuck. Okay, so you have to teach them in a very playway method. Okay, because they are very small, so you have to teach them in a playway method. Like when the children reaches the counting up to 2929. Okay, so you just make them learn in a way that they are singing a song or something, right? Like I'll just tell you the way they should do it. Like when they have started with 21, 2 1 21, 2 2 22, 2 3 23, 2 4 24, 2 5 25, 2 6 26, 2 7 27, 2 8 28, 2 9 29, and then they are suddenly stuck. They don't know what will come after 2 9 29. This is what happens, right? So my tip is just make them learn in a way that they are singing a song for it. Okay, so what you will sing, you will sing along with them. This just sing the counting in a way you're singing a song. Okay, and then when the child is coming on 2 9 29, then just say what will come after 2 3, and you have to attach a 0 with it. So what it becomes, it becomes 3 0 30. Okay, so this is how you can make them learn in a playway method. Okay, like I'll give you one more example. When the child has come to 3 9 39, and then you're gonna ask the child what will come after 3. The child will say 4, and what you have to attach with 4, the child will say 0. So what it becomes, 4 0 40. Okay, so just make them learn in a way that they are singing a song. One more example I want to give here. Like when the child has come to 6 9 69, just ask him quickly what will come after 6. The child will say 7, and you have to attach a, child will say 0 with it, and then what it becomes, it becomes 7 0 70. Okay, so this way when the child gets stuck somewhere, if the child gets stuck at on that particular place, so he'll be able to remember the next counting. Okay, so this is all about how you can teach counting to your children. Now we will move to the concept of even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, so we will make you understand this in a very playway method. Okay, just a minute. So Natasha ma'am, can you hear me? Please unmute yourself, Natasha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am. So Natasha ma'am will make you understand how you can identify even and odd numbers. Natasha ma'am, you are the host now.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. See, children, today we'll learn how to differentiate between odd numbers and even numbers. I'll be telling you a playway method. Parents, you can adapt this method and teach the children about the odd and even numbers. We have already messaged you that you can take some chickpeas, or you can take some. I have taken some kidney beans, right? You can take anything. You can take kidney beans, chickpeas, as you like it, right? I've taken here kidney beans. Okay. Now,
Just
see.
a minute, Nitasha ma'am. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope this Natasha ma'am's screen is visible to everyone. Yes?
Show your thumbs up. Screen is visible to everybody?
Okay, it's visible. It's visible. Yes, ma'am, you can carry on.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. So we are taking some kidney beans to teach you the odd and even method, right? Say, for example, we take first we'll draw here some rows and some columns like this. I have made it. The parents can also make some rows and columns, vertical and horizontal line like this. In these lines, here we write the numbers, here we will put the kidney beans, and here we will write that the number is a odd number or even number. Like example, I have taken number 5. So you will ask the children, this number 5 is even or odd. Like for example, you have to take 5 kidney beans. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, the number is 5. I have taken 5 kidney beans here. Right? Now, what you will do is make pairing or make friends of the kidney beans. This kidney bean will go with this kidney bean. They both have friends. See, children, they both have become friends. Now, next two will become friends. They both are friends. They are friends. They are also friends. But one kidney bean is left alone. Oh my God. It is not having any friend. So this is O. O means odd. So this number will become odd number. O-double-D, odd. I hope you are understanding. They both have become friends. They both have become friends. But this is left alone. So this is O. O means odd. O. Next. We'll take number 6 here. Right? So, we'll take 6 kidney beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? Now we will pair them. They will become friends. Two kidney beans will become friends like this. They have become friends. Now they have also become friends, and they both have also become friends. Nobody is left alone. They all have them. So this number will be even. E-V-E-N, even number. I hope you all are understanding. Next, for example, we have taken number 1. So take 1 kidney bean here. This kidney bean is not finding a friend. See, here is also no friend. No friend here. So, this kidney bean is left alone. O means
Or odd.
odd. Yes. So, one number is odd number, right? Next, for example, we have taken number 8. So, we will be taking 8 kidney beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now, make friends. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 of friends are there. See, they all are having their friends. Nobody is alone. So this is even number. 8 is even. E-V-E-N, even. Next, we'll take number 7. We'll take 7 kidney beans. I hope children are understanding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's make them friends again. 2, 3. Oh my God. Oh, this kidney bean is not having any friend. So this is O. O means odd. The number 7 is odd number. I hope you all are enjoying it. Show your thumbs up, everybody, if you are enjoying. Good boys and girls. Next, we'll take the example like number 2. We'll take 2 kidney beans. 1, 2. They both are becoming friends. Nobody is left alone. So that means number 2 is even number. E. V. E. N. Even. Number 2 is even number. Next, we'll take one more example. Say number 9. So we'll take 9 kidney beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope you all children are also doing with me. Yes? We'll make pair, we'll make friends. They both have become friends. They also, these two also. But one is left alone. Oh, no friend for this kidney beans. O means number 9 has become O. Odd number. O-double-D. Odd. I hope you all have understand. So let's take one more number. Number 3. Take 3 kidney beans. 1, 2, 3. Right? They both have become friends. And this one is also left alone. Oh, it is not having any friend. So number 3 is also an odd number. O-double-D, odd number. I hope you all have understand. This is somewhat a trick or a playway method. You can teach children odd and even. But this can work from number 1 to 9. Right? But for more numbers like 2-digit numbers, 11, 12, up to any counting, how will they understand the concept of even and odd? Now I am going to show you the concept of 2 digits number. Let's keep them aside. Yes. Next trick is, first of all, you have to divide a page in 2 parts like this. I hope it is visible. On one part, you write even. E-V-E-N. Even. Even numbers. And on another part, you have to write odd. O-double-D. Odd. This is for bigger children. So, on even side, write these 5 numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. This number they have to learn. They have to learn this number. That these are the numbers, even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. And on other side, you have to write odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. I hope the senior students can do and learn all these numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers. Now, I'll be taking an example of a digit like number 78. The number is 78. So how can we recognize that this number is even number or odd number? So this number will go to this side, even side, or this number will go to odd side. How can we recognize? We have to see what is the last number. See the last number, number 8. So 8 number is in this column, even column. See, number 8 is in this column, number 8, right? So this number will go to this column because the last number, number 8, falls under this category, right? I hope you all are understanding. Let's take another example. 3, 5, 35. The number is 35. So, in the same way, we'll take the last digit, number 5. See number 5? Number 5 is lying in which column? This even column or this odd column? 2, 4, 6, 8, 6 and 8. No. 5 is not lying here. 5 is lying here. 1, 3, 5. See. So this number will go in the odd one. We'll write here. 35, 35. Next, for example, we take number 9797. Again, see the last digit. Number 7. Where is lying? It is lying in odd column. So, see, 7 is lying in odd column. So, we'll write 9797 here. So, it is an odd number. Let's take another example. 6868. Again, you have to mark the last digit, number 8. Where it is lying? See, it is lying in this even column. So, this number is, 68 number is even number. You write in this column. I hope you all are understanding. Let's take one more example. Let's take 11. The last digit, number 1. 1 is lying where? It is lying here in the odd column. So you write number 11 is an odd number. So simple. Let's take one more example. 5050. See the last digit. 0. 0 is lying in which column? 0 is lying in this column. So this number 50 is an even number. I hope you all have understood this concept. It is very simple. So over to you, Saloni ma'am.
I hope that you have understood the concept of even and odd numbers in a very, very playway method, right? Yes, everyone has understood. So just a minute, I will now put everyone on unmute. Just a minute. See, we have to understand this. If parents are sitting near, we have to understand this, that we need to teach our children in a very, very playway method. In a very, very playway method. Only then, because the children are very small. When you teach them in a playway method, every concept, then only they'll be able to understand it, right? Okay, so try to teach them all the concepts in a playway method. Fine, because now they are at home, they are all your responsibility. When you will teach them in a playway method, they will understand better. Okay. Now you all can unmute yourself and ask me if you have any query.